everyone, welcome back. Now, this is kind of like my second video, but for today, I'm going to be doing a little experiment. Now, do you know what's more fun than art? Science. So that's why we're going to do my very first science video. Now, this is not just my first time, this is kind of like my second time because I did this experiment a while back and it didn't go out so well when I expected, so it was such a huge fail. So, I'm going to have to retake this, but this time I read a little bit of the instructions, and this is what I need. Well, this is what we're going to need. We're going to need some Dawn dish soap, some 12% hydrogen, water, obviously, and potassium iodide salts, which I don't really know why we need them, but it says for something about a chemical or a nuclear thing. Don't take my word on it though. And some food coloring. We're going to use these to make it like a cool toothpaste kind. And for the other stuff, we need a measuring cup, some mason jars, a funnel, and some measuring spoons. Alright, before I want to get into the experiment though, this was my, like I said, the first one I did, it was kind of a fail though because I didn't have a stronger peroxide. But I did a little reading though, so with that in mind, hopefully this works. Hopefully though. I'm not sure if it would though, but if it did, I'll give you some huge slow-mo reactments. Alright? Let's get started. But one more thing though. Somehow when you combine all the stuff into the bottle, it'll create a chemical reaction that it'll be so hot though, it might melt your skin though. But if it's a lower percent of the peroxide, it gets a little bit cooler, that it's sort of like the fun foam you can touch, but I think this big foam is going to be very hot to touch. Alright? Let's get started. Alright, behind me we have the tarp right there, and I already got the stuff in there though. Now, you might have to wear gloves though, and you might need some safety goggles. But I don't have any safety goggles, so I'm going to use my swimming goggles as a way to keep my eyes safe. Alright then, let's get started. Alright, first what we need is 1 cup of peroxide. Alright, let's pour a cup in. There we go. Let's move this aside. You know what? Let's put the peroxide, the bottle in the bag, because I'm feeling it might be safer in there. All right. Like, can you see me? Okay. Let me just move out a little bit more so you can see me better. All right. All right. Going to need this funnel. Let's pour the peroxide in. There we go. Next, take a few squirts of Dawn dish soap. I'll just do this. 1, I might give it enough. There we go. I see this is good. You know what? One more, just in case. There we go. Alright. Let me turn that off real quick because I gotta read the instructions a little bit more. Alright, it's time for the next part. Next, you need is 4 tablespoons of water. So I gotta carefully pour this in. There we go. Alright, now I gotta carefully pour this in. Alright. 1. Uh-oh. 2. 3. 4. You know what? Let's do a little more. More is always better. There we go. Now, this next part could be a tricky one. I don't really have yeast extract because that's what it's called, but you can also use potassium iodide salt. Like I said, I don't know really what it's used for. Maybe like some kind of nuclear weapon thing. I don't know. Just kind of. I'm wearing gloves, so it's hard to cut it with fingernails. I know it's pretty gross. Now, I put the camera out like that so that way you can see the explosion. But anyway, let's just see what happens. Alright. Let's zoom in. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe I could zoom in just in case. I'm trying to zoom in the camera, but oh well. Maybe this will do it. Hopefully you see the explosion. Alright, putting my glove back on. Alright, back to work. Alright, next you gotta pour in. Hold on. Oh, I just punched this thing. A full packet, so I'm just going to pouring all this in. That's good. Oh, you know what? I need to grab a spoon. Just give me 1 sec. There we go. Now I tried this before, it failed, and let's just see what happens. Alright, before I get to the explosion, let's add some food coloring. I'm going to do blue, minty green. Alright, let's add some food coloring to it. There we go. I guess this elephant toothpaste flavor might be berry blue or cool mint. I don't know. Alright. Now for the moment of truth, just gotta put in my goggles. Alright. Spray red because I kind of soaked it. Alright, time for the countdown. And 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's coming. Oh! Oh my god! Wow! Look at that! Oh! Oh my god! Wow! Look at that! Some steam are coming out of it. Whoa! You guys see this? Oh, look at that! It's actually foaming up just like toothpaste. Uh-oh. Looks like there's some food coloring in there. But look, you can take a closer look. There's actually steam coming out of it. Isn't that pretty cool though? I say it's really cool though. It's foaming up though. Now, I got a second packet of these though. Let's do a reenactment of how we did in close-up though. This time with a different color though. But look at that. It's foaming up though. Now, this is pretty hot though. I saw some steam coming out. But this is not the foam. Ooh! It's really hot though. So, this is not the fun kind of foam you want to touch. So, I do recommend not playing with it. It gets really foamy. Oh well. Anyway, let's get this all cleaned up and I'll show you up in close-up. Alrighty, so I put the camera right there because you guys see this in up close though. I thought it was going to be like a big explosion, but it's not totally a fail, right? It did something cool. So anyway, I'm going to have to speed through this and let's see what happens. Now the bottle's a little bit wet though, but hopefully it doesn't activate until I pour everything on. So let's just see what happens. Try holding the camera with the foot, basically my phone, but you know what I mean, right? Here we go. I'll grab some soap. Just need a few squirts. There we go. Take some water. Now I gotta find that mason jar. I'll be right back. This is kind of a silly way, I know. Wrong cup. I meant for this one. Well, this one. Okay. Let's try again. One, 2, 3, 4, and a little. Next, some salt. Moved out the camera like this so that way you could see it, but let's add a little bit of food coloring, doing green, doing winter green. There we go. Or whatever mint is. Alright, Now let's try this again. And we're on ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Wow! There we go. That's awesome! Uh-oh. Whoa, look at the steam. It's coming out of it. Do you see it? That is so cool. I'm glad getting close up like this. 1. Okay, you guys see this. Look. Wow. This thing's filling up big. Here it comes. Here it comes.
All right. That's pretty cool, huh?
Well, I hope you enjoyed. This was such a fun experiment. If you want to see more science experiment videos, make sure to stay tuned and I'll make some more. I'll see you next time. Bye.
That's pretty cool. Alright, before I want to go, here's a little something.
Hey, it's me, BDH, but I'm also known as the Brick Dragon Hero. That video was great, huh, Applex? You said it, BBJ. And if you want to see more of the Brick Dragon Hero videos, all you gotta do is subscribe. Follow Brick Dragon Hero on Instagram. Like for this video. Share this with your friends.
And comment down below what you think of that video.
And don't forget to check out the last video. So thanks for watching and have a brick day. Whoosh.